Hello everyone. In our last videos, we saw what are integers and we also saw a few examples in our day-to-day life where we are using integers. Now we'll extend that list and we'll talk about a few more that will help us solve many of the integers problems. When we talk about an aeroplane which is flying above ground, the height of the aeroplane we take it as positive, while when we are talking about a submarine which is going below sea, then we'll talk about the height as negative. When we deposit money, we'll call it a positive amount. But when we withdraw money, we'll call it a negative amount. We also know the lift goes up and down. So when the lift is going up, the rate of change of height, we will take it as positive. While the lift is going down, the rate of change of height, we will take it as negative. So let's now show integers on number line. So let's draw a number line first. So one advice while drawing the number line is when you are using the scale, you can use the half centimeter marks to mark various numbers on the number line. So in this case, now I'm going to put a 0 at the center here. It's 0. So now all the positive numbers would be on the right hand side. While the negative numbers are on left hand side. One tip for making a number line, we have only this much length and we have to accommodate all the numbers. So it is good that we put the marks at half centimeter. So you have scale, you can take the markings from half centimeter. So let me make marks at half centimeter. So now I want to show plus 5. Plus 5 is a positive number on the right hand side. So let's move 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Plus 5 is going to be at this place. Now if I want to show minus 6, minus is I have to go on to the left hand side. So let's go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here is my minus 6. The same way, if I want to show plus 8, again I'll have to go on to the right hand side to go to the plus 8. So 6, 7, 8. So it is my plus 8. So it is very easy to show integers on number line. What is important is that we need to select a proper scale. Let's now talk how to use number line to compare integers. We need to remember what we have done last time. We said that all the positive numbers are on the right hand side. And all the negative numbers are on left hand side. So to compare number, there is only one rule. That is, any number which is on the left hand side is a smaller number. That's it. So if I have two numbers, let's represent the numbers. Plus 6. So where is plus 6 going to be? Plus 6 is going to be on the positive side and 6 places from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is my plus 6 number. And I have another number plus 3. Plus 3 is again another positive number. So on the right hand side of 0, 1, 2, 3. Here plus 3. So I have plus 3 here and plus 6. Now out of these two numbers, plus 6 and plus 3, which number is on the left hand side? Obviously, plus 3 is the left hand side. So left hand side number is always smaller. and hence we can say plus 3 is smaller than plus 6. And we knew this. We have worked with the whole numbers and we know 3 is smaller than 6. Let's take another number, minus 2. So minus 2 is going to be on the left hand side of the 0 and 2 places. So 1 and 2. So here minus 2 is going to be here. Now I want to compare minus 2 and plus 3. Now which number out of these minus 2 and plus 3 is on the left hand side? Minus 2 is on the left hand side. Hence we can say that minus 2 is smaller than plus 3. Now let's take another number. Let's take minus 7. So minus 7 places from 0 towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is our minus 7. Now out of minus 7 and minus 2, if I have to compare, which number is on the left hand side? Minus 7 is on the left hand side, and hence we say minus 7 is less than minus 2. So isn't it easy? Any number which is on the left hand side out of those two numbers is always smaller number. Let's talk about a pattern here. So if I want to compare between two numbers, one negative and one positive. So let's compare between minus 2 and plus 3. Or let's compare between minus 7 and plus 3. Now out of minus 2 and plus 3, which one is smaller? Minus 2 is on the left hand side, so minus 2 is smaller. Minus 7 and plus 3, which one is smaller? Minus 7 is on the left hand side, so minus 7 is smaller. So that gives us one pattern, that if we are comparing numbers and one of the numbers is a negative number and other is positive number, the negative number is always smaller. The positive number is always greater.